as wit and humor. Because wit and humor, this is a part of our life. If that is not there, life is zero. Because there is a comedy in our life, we are still existing, expecting something, and daily, at least for 5 minutes or few minutes, we are laughing and we are entertaining ourselves, we are enjoying. Here, there is a drama we are going to read, and already I announced the title, The Dear Departed. The Dear Departed, it is a one-act play, and it has characters, 5 adult characters and 1 child character. And here, point to point, bit to bit, till the last we do not know it is a comedy. It is a very serious thing, very seriously goes. And at the last moment, you will be knowing the complete thing and you can't but laugh. That is the thing. Now, the characters are Mrs. Amelia Slater, Mrs. Elizabeth Jordan. These two are daughters of a person here. That person, he comes here at the last. He is Abel Merriweather. Abel Merriweather is the father, and these two are his daughters, Mrs. Amelia Slater, Mrs. Elizabeth Jordan. These two are sisters. And now, these two should have husbands, no? They are there. Henry Slater, Ben Jordan. These two are the husbands of Amelia and Elizabeth. Now, there should be a child character. Victoria Slater, the girl of Amelia, the daughter of Amelia. These are the characters. Now, in a nutshell, the story goes like this. Old personalities, old people, these are unwanted. Is it unwanted? Don't we want them? But it is a disputed question always. The old people think that we are unwanted. And the young people, they think the old fellow, he is coming. He will eat our head. That way. Why? Because the gap has been maintained like that. This old fellow doesn't like to go to the young people in an amicable manner, and this young person doesn't want to go to the old fellow in a respectable manner, honoring manner. Because the old people, they are crave of getting honor. They always think, I should advise. This I should advise, to what extent he doesn't know. Everywhere, whether that young fellow is master in certain subject or anything, he want to go and poke his nose and advise. And hence this gap is maintained forever like that. This fellow thinks I am unwanted. This fellow thinks he is coming and eats my head. And so these two are within this distance always. And now, in this one, the old fellow is not wanted, but his property is wanted. Now you see the fun. The old fellow is not wanted. Whether he doesn't want to go there or the young fellow doesn't want to take him in whatsoever, is a decision maintained by both the things as I already told. But the property which this fellow has, this fellow wanted it. He wanted to enjoy this, but not the old fellow. That is the topic taken here as the drama subject. That is dramatized. What would happen if that old fellow dies? Can anybody know it? I am an old fellow. Can I know what would happen after my death? No, I can't. So this is the topic the writer could able to bring onto the fore, onto the stage. That means the old fellow will be knowing what would happen after his death on the stage. Right? So that is the topic has been taken, and in a very serious mood it has been started, lastly ended with a very comic manner. And so it is a wit and humor. Now, the old fellow, he has 2 daughters. Means, the old fellow has been divided between these 2 daughters. 6 months here, 6 months here. Suppose he has 4 sons. 3 months here, 3 months there, 3 months here, 3 months here. Right? Badipantulu, N.T. Ramarao, one more picture I am reminding you. There you can see how these 2 old people, the wife and husband, these 2 have been separated. Now, along with those 2 characters, we wept in the cinema hall. There was a completely wetness everywhere in those days when Badipantulu was enacted by N.T. Ramarao. So, now why I called it is, you can just imagine what would happen with the old fellows if they are shared among their children. The property is shared, no doubt, but these people also are shared. So here the father is shared among 2 girls, the elder one, that is Emilia Slater, and the younger one, Elizabeth Jordan. That way these 2 are sharing him for 6 months and 6 months. And here, with 1 daughter, this old fellow lives. He purchases certain things. Because, you see, he is also a living creature. He has many necessities. It's nice shirt, nice t-shirt. If he wanted to have it, he purchases. He wanted to have nice slippers, nice shoes, and a bureau he wanted, right? A bed, a pillow, whatever he gets comfortability with these things, he would be buying it, right? When he stays with 1 daughter, right? And the other daughter doesn't know that he has purchased these things. And suddenly they think the father died. What will happen? They want to take the nice items out of these purchases. Okay, they want to keep them with them. Even the slipper, if it is nice ones, they want to take it away. Pillow, bureau, and everything they want to take it away. And the watch also, mantelpiece watch, they want to take away. Why? The other daughter doesn't know about it. You see, the selfishness, height of selfishness, right? That has also been taken care in this drama. Now, when I have given you the gist of the drama and the characters and how fun arises over there and how the old people are shared, and now let us go into the drama. And in the brackets, certain things are given, that is directions. You see, every cinema, every drama, it fares well only